come yesterday and supposed to come of us happy new month because this month will be each and every one of us. I really appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for liking my videos. And thank you for sharing. It's not easy and it can never be easy. All these your beautiful marker, you get. So I'm here to tell you guys we have small events in my side today. So I'll be hosting the live video. Let's assume I'll get video very soon. You get. It will start very soon. The occasion will soon start. But I'm just begging for you guys to join me when I enter because Mona Day at a last. On Abu Ian Ereba Mana a Potana Life or two. Like this Agona, our Masquerade, they will host, they have events today. They have, you get what they go do this side today. So I would like for us to be in our full, in our best prepared, you get, so that we can make something happen because now we not do to only this Igbo mindset and culture I really get. So I need on help and on support. So that is only what I have to share for now. But I want to ask you, who don't cook? Are they hungry? I'm very, very hungry. You know, I don't cook more than share me food. I'm gonna buy transport and let them carry. Kita na menu web you they do web your food like if you cook finish you go on web you go reach any location.